I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you two methods for turning off the Facebook like button sound on your Android device. The first method should work, but if it doesn't, I'll walk you through an alternative method that will definitely work. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the row of options to open a menu. Step 3. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Facebook's settings and privacy options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the Preferences section and then tap Media. Step 5. Swipe down to the Reel and Photo Settings area and then tap to toggle off Sounds in the app. You should no longer hear the Facebook like button sound on your Android device going forward. If you're still hearing sounds when you tap the like button after changing this setting, the only other option would be to put your Android device in quiet mode, which mutes calls and notifications. You can do this by pressing either of the volume buttons on your Android device to display the slider. Then tap the sound icon at the top of the slider and then tap to select the sound icon with a line through it. Your Android device will be in quiet mode where calls and notifications will be muted, and you'll definitely no longer hear sounds when you tap the like button on Facebook. And if you decide that having your Android device in quiet mode isn't worth it, you can always reopen the volume bar, tap the mute icon, and then tap the regular sound icon to return your device's sound settings to normal. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.